What's the meaning of allegory? Allegory. 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 Allegory.
Allegory refers to a literary or artistic work that uses symbolic representations to convey a deeper meaning or message. In an allegory, characters, objects, and events are used to represent abstract ideas or moral principles. The purpose of an allegory is to engage the reader or viewer in a thought-provoking exploration of themes such as morality, politics, or human nature. Through the use of symbolism, allegories can be analyzed and interpreted in different ways, making them a powerful tool for conveying complex ideas in a digestible manner.